Hello everyone, welcome to Novel Architects Consult. In this video, I'm going to show you how to place views in Revit. First of all, head over to the view you want to place, click on it, drag it and drop in the sheet. You can place more than one view in a sheet. Let's try this out. You can as well place it here if you want to. To place the second view, you click on it, go to the view, select it. And note, you need to rename your sheet so that it will be easy for you to place it and you can easily identify it. After placing the view, you can click on the viewport to adjust the position. And if you want to make an adjustment to this particular view, you don't need to go back here. All you need to do is to click on it, click activate view. Here you can make some adjustments directly in the sheet. Like this. Let's shift this a little bit. When you are done with the adjustment, you right click on deactivate view. So this viewport, you can as well hide it if you don't need it. So all you need to do is to right click on it, click hide in view. Also note, if you want to edit this plan here on the sheet, you need to unhide the viewport first. Then you can activate view before you hide it. If you don't know how to create a sheet and edit it, I made a video on how to create a sheet. I will leave it in the description section for you to watch how to create a sheet and edit it. For you to have the same proportion of the views, you need to mind your scale. Like this, we are using scale 1:100. So the south view is expected to be the same. Only in some rare cases you have to adjust the scale. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and also like this video. Thank you.